In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your eBay account suspended. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your email. You want to check your email for a message from eBay explaining why your account was suspended. Then you want to simply go ahead and check out eBay's policy to make sure that you understand and follow all the rules. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and resolve the issue or fix the problem that caused the suspension. So for example, follow all eBay policies and rules, list only genuine items, and provide accurate item description and communicate with buyers promptly and avoid unusual account activity. Then eBay may ask you to verify your identity. Simply go ahead and click on learn more on the email that is going to be sent to you and start your verification process. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and visit www.ebay.com/help, and then you want to simply go ahead and submit an appeal. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.